One of the annoying things about the new smartboards is that sometimes when you pick up your pen and try to draw on it, nothing happens. So a lot of teachers reset their computers or turn things off and back on again, but there's actually a much quicker way to do it, and I'm going to show you that now. So these are the steps that you're going to follow, but I will show them all to you one at a time. The first thing you do is click down on the Windows icon on the bottom left, Start button. Then in your task list, scroll down, or your programs list, scroll down to Smart Technologies, click the drop-down menu, and then select Smart Ink Settings. And this dialog box will open up. First, make sure that this box here is checked, Start Smart Ink when you log on, and then click on Turn on Smart Ink. Okay, before you click OK, look down here in your taskbar and you will see the Smart Ink Settings icon. Right-click on that and then click Pin to Taskbar. And that way this will always be there so that when you need to get to it, it's much quicker. And this will happen again. This isn't a permanent fix for most people, so you'll need to do this again. So you're going to click on that, then click OK. And now when you pick up the pen, you will see this little icon pops up here and you can write on the board. And that's it. It's as simple as that. Two other quick things, though, that I do want to show you that a lot of people don't know. If you click on that pen icon, you have the option to change the color of the pen. You have the option to change how thick the pen is. So regardless of which one you're using, you can change the color of the red or the black pen. You also have options for other types of pens that I won't get into right now, but you can explore those if you don't know what they are. You can change into a highlighter instead of a pen. You have lots and lots of other color choices, and you also have the ability to make different lines and things like that. One other quick thing you might not know is if you want to erase all of this, instead of picking up the eraser all the way up on the top right, although it might move around, there's a little tiny pen icon, and if you click on that and click Clear Ink, it will get rid of all of the ink that you've written on there. All right, so that's it. That's how to get your pens back on the SMARTboard.